So, guys, yesterday we did discuss about advanced reference qualifiers, right? Hmm? Guys, I gave you one task yesterday. I gave you one task yesterday. I'm going to explain about that task. So, in the incident form, you have color field, affected color field. When I click on the magnifying glass, here I should be able to see the users who belongs to colors department. Current logged in user department. Okay. So here in the affected color, whoever is not there in the color, whoever is there in the color, that person should not be visible on the affected color. Okay. So, so I want to restrict the colors. I want to restrict the colors to only current logged in user department colors. So here department is not visible, right? Add the department here. Click on any of the column options. Go to configure, go to list layout. Add department to the right side. Okay. So I have added department here. Okay. Now, what am I doing is, I am going to create a script include. Okay, I'm going to create a script include. Okay. So here, what am I doing is, I'm building the condition here. Building the condition here. Okay, the condition is where gr user is equal to new glide record. Gr user dot add query. Gs dot get user ID will give you the current logged in user system ID in the server side. Okay. If gr dot next, gr user dot next. What am I doing is, I am building a condition here. Our condition is equal to empty. Condition is equal to department is equal to current logged in user department. Okay. So this condition department is equal to current logged in user department I am passing. This condition I am actually passing as an output. So this script include you will call it using new script include name dot method name. So you have to call the script include the advanced reference qualifier. I am going to the caller field. JavaScript colon. I'm calling the script include here. This will give you the condition. Condition will you will get here as a string. Okay. Condition will be in the string format. Remember this one. I am just opening the incident form here. When I click on this magnifying glass, I am able to see only finance department users because current logged in user belongs to finance department. I'm able to show only finance department. I'm able to see only finance department users. That is because current logged in user belongs to finance department. So we'll go to the users. Current logged in user belongs to finance department, right? As he belongs to finance department and all the users that we are able to see in the finance department. Suppose I am changing the current logged in user department to HR. Now the current logged in user department is HR. So when I click on this magnifying glass, I'm able to see only HR department users here. If the current logged in user department is sales here, okay. So we'll be able to see only sales department users here. See here. Okay. Whoever is there in the affected color also, we should not be able to see here. And we have to keep the condition here. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to the form and refresh this one. I am selecting one sales department user, system administrator. So here it will show all the sales department users as current logged in user belongs to sales department. Okay. It will show all other users. What is this? Okay, very good. We have to pass the current object. Yes. I'm able to all the sales department users. I'm selecting system administrator here. Okay, this condition. Okay, if the affected color value is there, don't show the affected color. If the affected color is not there, only show the department. So here affected color is not there. It is showing only sales department users. I'm selecting system administrator here. So when I click on this magnifying glass, The affected caller is there. So when I click on this magnifying glass, it is showing 174 records. Okay, all the sales department users it is showing. So I am selecting the affected caller here. When I click on this magnifying glass, I am able to see only 173. System administrator is not, we are not able to see system administrator here. If we have already selected, if you have already selected affected caller, it will exclude that. Okay. If you have already selected affected caller, it will exclude that in the caller. See, let us say now you are able to see 174. You are able to see system administrator as well. Okay. If you have already selected system administrator, you have already selected system administrator, that system administrator won't be appearing here. Only 173 users you are able to see. So what am I doing here in the caller field? I am able to show only current logged in user department users. And here if there is already affected caller selected, I am actually removing that affected caller value from the caller field. Do you understand, guys? Hmm? Now you tell me, how do I restrict the affected caller value to only caller department users? So then I am going to the affected caller field. So in the script include, I am writing another condition. Well, here, same condition. Okay. For getting the current object. Instead of current logged in user system ID, you will play with the current caller. Okay. Okay. We have to write the logic in different way, guys. Here. If so if caller ID is there, play with the caller ID. If the caller ID is not there, query with the current logged in user. Okay. So if the caller value is there, you are querying with the caller. Okay, if the caller value is not there, you are querying with the current logged in user system ID. Department is equal to department system ID not is equal to okay. If the caller value is there, query with the caller. If the caller value is not there, query with the current logged in user. So if the caller value is there, remove the caller, remove the caller. If the caller value is not there, and keep only current logged in user department users. So now what am I doing is I'm going to call this script include in the I'm going to call the script include in the affected caller field. Is reference qualifiers tricky one, guys? Topic is tricky or easy? Interesting. Advanced reference qualifier is okay. When I click on this magnifying glass, mm, so I did not pass current object, right? So now the caller value is not there. So still what is missing? Mm. So here, anyhow, we are actually taking the department. Okay, what is the mistake that we have done is we have written the script include within the have to write side right outside of this one. So here also it is showing current logged in user departments. I am selecting the color value here as system administrator. Okay. Except system administrator, it should show everything. So system administrator also it is showing here. So except system administrator, it should show everything here in the affected column. Now it will work perfectly. So I'm just refreshing this one. Okay. So when I click on this magnifying glass, I'll be able to see only current logged in user departments here. I'm selecting system administrator here. So when I click on this magnifying glass here, I should not be able to see system administrator name here. Vice versa. If you select system administrator name here, if you select system administrator name here, same system administrator you should not be able to see here. So is it working fine, guys? Is it working as expected? Okay. So likewise, you have to write the reference qualifiers. The advanced reference qualifiers are little bit tricky and interesting, guys. Okay, you have to understand them thoroughly. You have to understand them thoroughly. Okay, fine. Now we will understand about related lists. What is related list, guys? If you go to the incident form, if you submit the incident form, you are able to see these are actually called related lists. These are called related lists. Okay. So we know how to add this related list on the form. How many of you know how to add related list on the form, guys? Hmm? So you can add the related list, right click, configure, go to related list. So from the related list, you can actually add the related list on the form, guys. So here we know how to add the related list to the form. We know how to add related list to the form. So using right click, configure related list, you can actually add related list to the form. But here, how to create these related lists? How to create these related lists? Okay. So that is what we need to understand here. How to add related lists, you are able to understand. How to create the related list is what we are going to understand. To create a related list, you have to go to relationships in the application navigator. Relationships. So I am creating a new relationship here. New relationship is nothing but new related list. New relationship is nothing but new related list. Okay. Caller caller change requests. Caller change requests. So applies table will be incident table I am selecting. Applies table will be incident table. The queries table I am selecting here as change request. The queries table I have selected here as change request. Okay. Applies table is incident table. Queries from table is actually change request table. Okay. So what my requirement is, the incident form, I have to show here a related list here. The incident form, I have to show here a related list that is actually caller change request. So here, whoever the caller here, Anthony. Anthony has how many change requests as requested by? Let me just go to change requests. Okay. Requested by is already there here. So Anthony has no change request as a requested by. System administrator has how many change requests? There are 84 change requests which are on system administrator name. Okay. That is fine. Here, caller has how many change requests as a requested by should be shown in the related list. So now what I am doing is I am going to add Anthony as requested by for to change requests. Okay. So this caller has 5 change requests, right? Those I want to show it in the related list here. Those I want to show it in the related list. So for that, I am creating a related list here. This table will be incident queries table will be change request. So here I have to write the condition, guys. It is very important. Current dot add query. Current dot add query. So here current refers to change request. Current refers to change request table. Okay. Remember here. This current object refers to change request table. Current dot so current refers to change request table. Current dot add query requested by is parent here. So here you have current object and parent object. Current object refers to queries table, that is change request. Parent refers to the incident table. Okay, parent dot caller ID. Okay, only active change requests you want to query. Current dot add active query. Okay, so now you have created a related list. Go to the form, right click, configure, go to related lists. Go to related lists. Okay, and caller change request. This is the related list that we created. Move it to right side. Click on save here. Scroll down here. There is a related list that is actually this one. Here we are able to show change requests that caller has associated. This caller has how many change requests is requested by those change requests I am able to show here. I am able to show it or not. If I change the caller to system administrator, system administrator won't appear here because we have applied a reference qualifier. I am changing the caller to system administrator now. System administrator belongs to which department? Why am I able to see only 32 users here, guys? I'm able to see only 32 users, right? Sales department users. Sales department users in total we have 174 sales department users are there. So current logged in user department users except the affected column. System administrator user account is he belongs to sales only. No, no, no. Later I changed it to say sales department. From HR to sales, I changed it. So when I click on this magnifying glass, I'm able to see 174, which is fine. When I am clicking on this magnifying glass, why am I able to see only 32? Okay. We'll have to tweak the query, guys. We'll have to tweak the query. The caller, which one we are actually calling it? What we will do is we will print the output here, guys. Condition is same. It is supposed to show 140, 173. Condition is correct only. This is for color, this is for affected color, right? Current logged in user departments we have to show. It was showing properly, right, in the beginning, guys? When we were discussing, it was showing properly, right? Okay, so let us get back to the related list topic. So in the we have created a related list, caller change request, which is actually this one. So caller change request. So here applies table will be incident table. Queries table will be change request. So here current object refers to this particular queries table. Parent object refers to this particular incident table. Okay. So likewise, what we are doing here is that we have actually applied the condition on the change request table. Current refers to change request. So we have applied a condition on the change request table. So whatever the caller we have in the incident form. So with that caller, how many change requests are there with the requested by name. So those change requests I am actually showing in the related list. Okay. You can see this caller I'm selecting system administrator here again. Okay. So if I select a caller as system administrator, with the system administrator name, how many change requests has requested by? So it's 79, right? So in the related list, you will be able to see 79 here. You will be able to see 79 change requests here. Okay. If you select the caller as a system administrator, you will be able to see 79 change requests because there are 79 change requests for system administrator as a requested by. So likewise, you will be creating the related list on the forms, guys. Is that clear, everyone? Hmm? So tomorrow we'll be discussing import sets topic, guys. Okay, tomorrow we'll be discussing import sets topic. Okay. So anyhow, I'll be completing this training by end of this month. Okay. So Dikshit, to add multiple conditions in the advanced reference qualifier, you have to build a condition something like this one. Like I have, you can see how many conditions are there here. Department is equal to, this is actually one condition. This is actually another condition. So this is how, these are actually two conditions, right? If you want to add multiple conditions, you have to build the condition string using this logic. Okay. See here, first of all, this one is actually one condition. This one is actually another condition. So likewise, you will have to build the conditions, guys. You will have to build the conditions. Department is equal to current logged in user department and system ID not is equal to affected caller system ID. Okay. So likewise, you will be, this is actually one condition. This is one condition. This is actually another condition. You are getting my point? So likewise, you can build a condition query. You can build a condition query and you can pass that as an output here. Okay. You can call multiple script included in the single reference qualifier. Yes, we can call it. So what you can do is in the reference qualifier, to JavaScript colon, new script include name, dot method name, and and you can call another script include name here. New si2 dot. So here we can, this is also a server side script, guys. Advanced reference qualifier is a server side script. Whatever we are writing here, whatever the script that we are writing here, Okay. You can directly write it here. We can directly write it here. Okay. So what happens here? So you can write the reference qualifier something like this one without a script include. Without script include, what you are doing, you are calling this function. Inside the function, you are querying the caller with the current logged in user system ID. So you are building the query. You are actually passing that output as a condition here. That condition you will get it here. You don't need to write script include. You can directly create a function. You can call that function here. So why do we need to call the script include two script includes here, guys? We no need to call two script includes. Whatever we can write it in single script include. We can call that script include. So we no need to call two script includes in one reference qualifier, guys. Getting my point? Dikshit, you are clear? Okay. So if you want to call two script includes, what you can do is you can create a function. Inside this function, you can call two script includes here. You can call two script includes inside this function. Okay. We are writing this condition for caller field, right? If you go to the caller field, in the caller field, we are able to see sales department users. But we are supposed to see 172, right? Now we are able to see 174. So here you can see, where did I write reference qualifier in the caller field? You tell me now. Did I write this reference qualifier in the script include, or did I write this reference qualifier directly here itself? I have unmuted everyone, guys. You can speak.
Yeah, directly we have implemented Uday here itself.
So here, if you want to call multiple script includes, it is better you can call here inside this function. Okay. Getting my point?
Okay.
So same new script include name dot method name. As many script includes you want to call, those many script includes you can call here. So after calling the script includes, you should construct a query here. You should construct a query. That query you have to pass a output. That query is nothing but condition. That condition you have to pass as an output. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll see you there in tomorrow session. Okay.
Yeah, 1 second, Uday. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yesterday I'm facing one issue. The issue is just now you have changed the logged in user department, right?
Hmm.
What we have done is yesterday myself and Dikshit was connected. What we have found is
Hmm.
we have the gs dot get user dot get department. Like
Hmm.
that, we have written the code in the
Hmm.
background script.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, First time I am suppose I am my role is something like system administrator, like that assumption.
Hmm.
Then it is showing the proper ID, and I am
Hmm.
going to the my record, and I have changed it to the my role to HR.
Hmm.
Then again, if I ran the query, then it is showing in the last record ID only. I mean that is related to the department.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
May know what is the issue, but finally I found the I mean a solution from the net. After I have implemented that change, it's working fine for me.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
May
Hmm.
know what is the reason for that one?
Maybe if I see that, I can explain you.
Yeah, okay, Uday. I ping you the script yes, tomorrow.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay, Uday. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.